Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Make a great choice today with the 2020 Range Rover. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.